Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Bankers. In today's session, we will be discussing about the concept of marketing digital banking products. This is a chapter in the certificate examination in digital banking. So, what is marketing of digital banking products? Marketing digital banking products involves promoting and selling financial services that are delivered through digital channels such as websites, mobile apps, and the online platforms. As technology continues to advance, digital banking products play a crucial role in providing the convenient and efficient financial solutions to the consumers. So, this video focuses on effective strategies for marketing the digital banking products in the dynamic Indian market. So, coming to the point of the target audience or the persons who are to be targeted, who the banks target, and how it is being done. That is with online presence and branding. That is by establishing a strong online presence through a user friendly website and mobile app, by also building a recognizable brand that conveys, that is with online presence and branding. How does a bank go with an online presence and branding? It is by establishing a strong online presence through a user friendly website and mobile app. Also, build a recognizable brand that conveys trust, security, and innovation in a digital space. The second point is by a target audience identification. Clearly define the target audience for the digital banking products and by considering the demographics, the behavior, and their preferences. Also, tailor marketing strategies to address the specific needs and the pain points of the target audience. By creating content or by content marketing, create informative and engaging contents to educate the customers about the benefits and the futures of digital banking. Also, by utilizing the blogs, articles, videos, and infographics to explain the complex financial concepts in a user friendly manner. By the use of social media, which we call as a social media marketing, the leverage of the social media platforms helps to connect with the audience, share updates, and also address the customer queries in a way. We can also use paid advertising on social media to reach a wider audience and promote the specific digital banking features also. By email marketing, implement a target email campaigns to communicate with the existing customers and prospects also. Here we can also share updates on new features, promotions, and education content through email and newsletters. By the help of the search engine optimization, optimizing the digital content for search engines to ensure the visibility of digital banking products by the use of relevant words and phrases to enhance the ranking of the website and the application in the search results, by also increasing the user experience and the customer journey. This helps in prioritizing a seamless and user friendly experience across the digital platforms. It also helps the customers to understand their journey and optimize the touch points to enhance their satisfaction also, which in other ways emphasizes the simplicity and ease of use of your digital banking products and highlights the features that make the user experience convenient, secure, and efficient. By collaborations and partnerships, how does it how is it done? By collaborations partnership, by exploring partnership with other businesses or fintech companies to proportion enhance the value or the value proportion of the digital banking products. By collaborations can lead to new features or or integrations that attract more users, like integrating the insurance services, the mutual fund services, the trading services, all these things. The data security and the building, how is it done? By emphasizing the security measures in place to protect the customer data and transactions among the users and highlight the encryption part of it by using a multi-factor authentication and by other security features wherein you can use the pin, also your biometrics can be used. By building a trust by highlighting the industry certifications, encryption technologies, and the customer testimonials in each and every page. By personalization and customization, implement the personalization strategies to offer tailored experiences based on your behavior and preferences. Provide customizable features that allow users to personalize their digital banking experiences also. By educational initiatives, by developing educational content to inform users about the features and advantages of digital banking products. This can include the tutorials, the blog posts, the infographics, and also by the videos of different sites and different products that are being updated. And last, by the customer feedback and the continuous improvement. We should encourage the customer feedback through surveys and reviews to identify areas for improvement in the audience. Use feedback to enhance the digital banking products and the services to be continued. By combining all these strategies, marketers can effectively promote the digital banking products, attract new users, and retain the existing customers in the rapidly evolving landscape of digital finance. So, all in all, as a summary, successful marketing of digital banking products involves a combination of understanding user needs, emphasizing the security and convenience, also utilizing various channels and adapting to the strategies to evolve and adapting strategies to evolving landscape of the digital finance. Coming to the channels of marketing digital banking. So what are the different channels of digital banking? In India, the marketing of digital banking products utilizes a various variety of channels to reach a diverse audience. Each channel has its own strength and caters to different segments of the population. So let's go into a detailed explanation of the various marketing channels for digital banking in India, like that of the digital banking, so or the digital marketing, wherein we use the social media marketing, the search engine marketing, the content marketing, and the email marketing. What is the social media marketing? Wherein we use platforms like the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the LinkedIn, which are being used for targeted advertising, brand building, and also engaging with the audience. With the help of the search engine, we use the paid search advertising on platforms like Google to appear in search results when users look for the relevant keywords. By using the content marketing, creating and sharing relevant and valuable content through the blogs, articles, infographics, and videos to educate and attract the users. Coming to mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is done by promoting digital banking apps through mobile advertising to increase the downloads and increase the user engagement. By the SMS marketing, we send targeted, personalized SMSs to users about the promotions and transaction and also the security updates that are being available. With the use of the television, we run the commercials on national and regional television channels to create awareness and showcase the features of the digital banking products with the use or the help of a print media. Print media advertisements in newspapers and magazines help to reach a wide audience, especially in the urban and the rural areas. With the help of the radio on date by use of the FM services, we can run ads to, especially in the areas where digital penetration is lower. Out of home. What is out of home? This is by the use of the billboards and the posters. Placing outdoor advertisements in high traffic areas, bus stops, and metro stations to increase the visibility and brand recall. By the transit advertising, advertising on the public transportation such as the buses and the metro stations to target the commuters. With the help of sponsorships, associations with the events, conferences, or sports events to increase the brand visibility and connect with the target audience also. We also have a community sponsorship such as supporting local community events or initiatives to build a positive brand image. Bank marketing. With the help of bank marketing, we display things in the branches, that is the branch displays, promoting digital banking services within the physical bank branches through posters, displays, and the interactive kiosks. In bank promotion, running promotional campaigns, contests, or workshops within the bank branches to engage with the existing customers also. With the help of partnerships and collaborations. That is collaboration with the other businesses, wherein we collaborate with the fintech partners or the retail partners. By collaborating with the fintech companies, we offer new features or integrations and cross promoting services to each other's user base. When we collaborate with the retail partners, we have the retail chains or the e-commerce platforms to offer joint promotions or discounts. Then comes the online platforms, wherein we can use the website marketing by optimizing the official website for search engines and using it as a central hub for information about the digital banking products. By affiliate marketing, partnering with the affiliates to promote digital banking products and earning commissions to the successful referral also. The customer referrals and engagements, wherein we use the customers, we encourage them, or by encouraging the existing customers to refer their friends and families through the referral incentive based referral programs. We also have a government initiatives and collaborations. Other than that, the customer engagement programs always are done by implementing loyalty programs, gamification, and other engagement strategies to retain existing customers and encourage them to use the digital banking services more frequently. So, what is the structure for marketing digital banking products? The digital revolution has transformed the customer expectations, including what he expects from the bank. So, the banks need to have a structure in place for to be able to meet the rising demands. By establishing a firm structure for successful digital banking products in banks, it involves several key elements. So let's dwell into each and every point. By understanding the target audience. How do we understand a target audience? By segmentation. We don't treat all customers the same. We divide the audience into groups based on their demographics, that is, the age, the income, and their location, and also their occupation. We also divide them with their financial needs, which are savings focused, budgeters, and those who are seeking investment options. By their digital literacy, tech savvy early adopters versus those needing more guidance. We also go for the research methods, that is, by conducting surveys, focus groups, and analyze the website traffic to understand their plans, pain points, and the preferred communication channels. By developing a unique selling proposition, a USP, identify what makes the digital banking product stand out from the competitors. We have to focus on the innovation, that is, improvising on the cutting edge features like the AI powered budgeting tools or the biometric authentication. The convenience, wherein there is a seamless integration with bill payments, instant transfers, and easy account management also. Security, a state of art security measures to protect the customer data and transaction. Everything to be tailored features for unbanked or the underbanked populations also. We have also to provide a 24/7 support option and educational resources tailored to make different literacy level for this marketing of digital banking products. By crafting a compelling marketing message, by directly speaking to the target audience pain points, use clear, concise language with a benefit driven approach, that is, save time and money. By managing your finances on the go with a user friendly mobile app, or by saying that financial security at your fingertips, that is, by enjoy robust security features to protect your money, or by an emotional connect. Use visuals and storytelling to evoke positive emotions like empowerment, control, and peace of mind related to managing finances. The next point comes is by creating a user-friendly digital experience with a design of user interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate on both desktop and mobile platforms. We also have to cater to users with disabilities to incorporate screen readers, compatibility, and larger font options. Offer the platform and marketing materials in multiple languages to reach a wider audience in diverse market conditions also. By leveraging the data and analytics, by the tracking user behavior on the websites and mobile app to understand how customers interact with the digital banking platform, by analyzing the effectiveness of the marketing campaigns across different channels, by the use of data to personalize the user experience by offering targeted features, promotions, and educational resource based on individual needs and interests also. Also by experiments with different versions of the market or the different products of the marketing materials and app functionality to identify what resonates best with the audience. Also, by implementing these strategies, we can develop a targeted and effective marketing approach that drives the adoption of the digital banking products. Coming to the e-galleries and the digital branch. So, what is an e-gallery? E-gallery is a e-gallery in a bank refers to online marketing places or the online marketplaces which are specifically designed for showcasing and promoting a bank's digital banking product and services. It's a virtual space within the bank's website or app where customers can browse, compare, and apply for various digital banking solutions like that of the concept. Let's break down the concept of the same thing. E-galleries act like a digital storefront where you can find a wide range of digital banking products, similar to how a physical bank or a physical branch displays different account options or investment plans. Here, products are also offered. These can include the online savings account, mobile banking app, investment platforms, loan applications, and more things. So, what is the role of a digital bank? Digital bank, unlike the traditional banks with tellers or physical locations designed to promote and enhance the use of the digital banking products and services. They bridge the gap between the physical and the digital worlds, offering a unique role in today's banking landscape. So let's break down the key functions. That is promoting digital adoption by showcasing the technology. Digital branches are equipped with interactive displays, tablets, and other technological tools that allow customers to explore and experience the bank's digital banking platform firsthand. We also have to have a staff with knowledgeable who is knowledgeable with these branches, offers guidance and supports to customers who may be new to digital banking so that they can answer questions, demonstrate features, and help with the account setup process also. It also helps with the personalized customer services, enhance customer experience, and also optimizing the branch networks. So, what are the benefits of the e-services to the customer? It's initially the convenience. E-galleries allow customers to browse and apply for digital banking products 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need to visit a physical branch during the limited operating hours. It also helps typically present product information and features in a clear and concise manner. In the case of comparison shopping, this allows for easy side by side comparisons of different accounts, loans, or investment options. So customers can choose the product that best suits their specific needs and their financial goals. It also has the transparency and information. E-galleries can provide detailed information about each product, including the fees, the interest rates, eligibility criteria, and terms and conditions of the said all above products. This level of transparency empowers customers to make informed decisions about their finances. How is after sale services for digital banking customers offered? After sale services in the banking sector in India involve various offerings designed to support customers after they have been availed banking products or services. These services aim to enhance customer satisfaction, provide the ongoing assistance, and address any issues or inquiries that our customers have. So, coming to the points, the initial point will be the customer support and the inquiry resolution. Wherein the banks have the call centers, they also give online support. Like many banks now have comprehensive online help sections on their websites and mobile banking apps. Here we will find the FAQs, support articles, and sometimes live chat facilities also. It's not sometimes we do have live chat facilities. Branch assistances for complex issues or when personalized help is required. Customers can always visit a branch for in person assistance. It also gives the email support facility by digital banking itself. Complaint redressal mechanism. In this condition, banks appoint dedicated grievance officers at branches and regional level for timely complaint escalation and resolution. The ombudsman scheme, the RBI oversees the ombudsman scheme that offers an avenue for independent dispute resolution if the bank cannot address a customer's issue satisfactorily by the product, service, training, and guidance. For complex products like investment vehicles or the foreign exchange services, banks may offer personalized training to the customers either in the branch or through online resources. Some banks even conduct educational webinars and workshops on topics like financial planning, cybersecurity awareness, and also navigating digital banking services. Banks often have a detailed guides and brochures explaining product features, their fees, and also their terms and conditions for clarity. The additional services that are being provided. In the case of a domain account handling, banks offer services to reactivate the domain accounts and guide customers through the process. This also includes blocking lost or stolen ATM cards by issuing replacement and handling the pin related issues. By also giving the nomination services, bank assist with adding or updating the nominees in their accounts also. By change of personal information, banks have processes for updating addresses, phone numbers, and other details in customer records. All these which can be done online itself. So effective after sales contributes to the customer loyalty and satisfaction, fostering a positive relationship between customer and the banks. Banks continually strive to improve these services to meet evolving customer expectations and technological advancements in these conditions. Coming to the marketing of financial inclusion. Marketing of financial inclusion involves strategies and initiatives aimed at ensuring that a broad spectrum of the population has access to the financial products and services. So, financial inclusion is essential for economic development, poverty reduction, and creating a more inclusive financial system. So, let's understand what is financial inclusion. For understanding what is financial inclusion is a process of bringing the underbanked or the unbanked segments of society into the formal financial system. In India, this means providing access to essential financial services like savings account, affordable credit and loans, insurance products, remittance services, and also the financial education. What are the marketing challenges for financial inclusion? The marketing challenges for financial inclusion are with the limited financial literacy. Many in the target audience have low awareness about the financial products and their benefits. The trust deficit. There may be lack of trust in mainstream banks among certain populations due to past negative experiences or the perceived complexity in the banking functions. The rural and the remote areas. Reaching populations in the rural and remote areas with limited banking infrastructure can be very difficult. The cultural and the linguistic barriers also, wherein marketing needs to be tailored to overcome language and the cultural differences to effectively reach diverse communities. So, what are the key strategies in financial inclusion? Coming to the key strategies in financial inclusion, we can say the targeted awareness campaign. How do we go for a targeted awareness campaign? That is using the simple and local language. Communication should be clear, concise, and the local language to increase their understanding. The message should be always relevant. That is focus on the tangible benefits that is financial, or the tangible benefits financial services that we are offering, that is saving for goals, securing the family, accessing the credit for business opportunities, etc. Using the creative formats, use of radios, local events, street theater, and also mobile messaging tailored to the rural audience. By the use of the partnership and brand ambassadorship with the help of the microfinance institutions and the self-help groups, we have to collaborate with these institutions that are already working with the underserved communities to increase the reach and the trust. With the help of the local influencers, partner with the trusted community figures as ambassadors to promote the financial inclusion process. With the essence of accessibility and convenience, wherein we can use the branchless banking, utilize banking correspondence and the mobile banking to reach areas with limited access to brick and mortar branches, increasing the financial literacy or conducting financial literacy camps wherein we can conduct workshops and training process in communities to build trust and understanding on the bank and the bank products. We can also use the technology driven solutions like promoting mobile wallets and easy to use payment apps that are designed with vernacular languages and simple interfaces. We also can use the Aadhaar enabled payments, wherein we can highlight the convenience of Aadhaar linked with transactions and their subsidies by emphasizing on the customer experience, wherein we train the banking staffs and the partners to be sensitive to the needs and the anxieties of the first time banking customers, wherein we ensure processes are transparent and easy to navigate for customers with limited financial experience. We also establish strong customer support channels to address complaints and build trust. So, some of the successful modes of financial inclusion that has been successful in India are: one is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, the Suganya Samriddhi Yojana, the Chopal by the ITC, the Indian Tobacco Company, a private company which is having its own financial inclusion scheme. So these examples shows the diverse approaches for financial inclusion or financial inclusion marketing or the digital marketing in India. The key lies in understanding the target audience, their needs, and utilizing the culturally appropriate communication strategies, along with accessible financial products. Financial inclusion is an ongoing effort that requires collaboration between the financial institutions, the government bodies, the NGOs, and other stakeholders. By combining awareness building efforts with accessible and user friendly financial solutions, we can continue to make progress in bringing more people into the formal financial ecosystem. So let's now discuss about the dangers of mis-selling. So what is mis-selling? Mis-selling in the banking sector involves pushing financial products onto customers that are unsuitable, overly complex, or misrepresented. This unethical practice poses several dangers for both the individuals and the financial systems or the bank. So, what is the danger for the individuals in this? The danger for the individuals are their financial loss. Missold products often carry hidden fees and risk, wherein the customers might end up losing money on the investment that don't align with their goals or incur high interest debt that they cannot repay. Because of which there is a erosion of trust. Being missold can create a deep mistrust towards the bank, discouraging people from disengaging with the formal financial system itself, which gives a long-term impact, which can impede individuals from achieving their financial goals and planning for a secure future also. The vulnerable population, the elderly, and the less financially literate and rural population are particularly susceptible to mis-selling practices. Now, coming to the what are the dangers this can create for the financial system? There is a reputation damage. Widespread mis-selling erodes the public trust in banks and the overall financial system. It also increases defaults. By selling products to individuals who cannot afford them can lead to an increase in loan defaults. or the increase in the NPA, harming the stability of the banks. Due to all of which, the regulatory body like the RBI takes mixed selling very seriously and imposes heavy fine and sanctions on the bank involving in these practices also. So how do we combat the mis-selling in the financial institutions? The RBI and the Indian government has implemented measures to curb mis-selling, which are like the stricter regulations, wherein the RBI has set rules for product suitability, clear disclosures, and ethical sales practices also. Customer awareness, wherein spreading awareness about the physical products or the financial products and customers' rights through the educational campaigns. The grievance redressal facility that is being given by establishing an effective grievance redressal system and an ombudsman scheme for handling the customer complaints. So, finally, coming to this, the financial institutions are increasingly recognizing the importance of responsible selling of their products and also selling practices with the ethical conduct. Implementing robust internal control, training programs, and customer centric policies can help mitigate the danger that is associated with the mis-selling and contribute to a more transparent and trustworthy banking environment. Coming to the last point, the use of analytics in the digital banking market or the digital banking market. In the marketing of digital banking products in India, analytics play a crucial role in making informed decisions, optimizing strategies, and enhancing the overall effectiveness of the marketing campaigns. So, various types of analytics are employed to extract insights from the data. Let's see how analytics empowers digital banking marketing in the country. Customer segmentation and targeting. Advanced analysis or advanced analytics allows banks to break down the customer base into fine grained segments based on demographics, financial behavior, digital preferences, and more. This enables the highly targeted marketing campaigns that resonate better, leading to higher conversion rates also. The personalized recommendations. Banks can leverage analytics to track customer usage patterns and preferences by offering tailored recommendations for new products, cross selling also relevant services, and providing personalized offers. By channel optimization, analytics reveals with digital channels that perform best for different customer segments, informing budget allocation and by optimizing the market spend or the amount spent in the market by campaign tracking and adjustment. Detailed analytics that are with the dashboard helps marketers track campaign performance in real time, highlighting underperforming areas and allowing them to make quick adjustments for the optimal results. By fraud detection, analytics play a crucial role in identifying a suspicious pattern and potentially fraudulent act within the digital banking channels, thus protecting both the banks and its customers. So, how is analytics done? There are four ways of analytics that are commonly used in the marketing of the digital banking products. One is the descriptive analytics. So, what is descriptive analytics? It involves examining the historical data to understand what has happened in the past. So, it provides a insight into the trends that are predicted in the future or the patterns and the key performance indicators for the banks. So, this is a descriptive analytics. Then comes the diagnostic analysis. What is a diagnostic analytics? It focuses on identifying the reasons behind the past performance, that is, including the factors that contribute to the success or the failure. That is, by diagnosing the factors that influence the success or failure of specific marketing campaigns, by identifying the reasons for fluctuations in user engagement on the digital channels, and also by analyzing customer feedback and reviews to understand the drivers of satisfaction or dissatisfaction with digital products. The other type is the predictive analysis or the predictive analytics, which involves forecasting the future. That is where we are predicting for the trends and outcomes that are based on the historical data and statistical algorithms. Here we are predicting the future as per the old data that we are having. That is the historical data that we are having. It helps in anticipating what might happen in the future. And then comes the prescriptive analytics or the prescriptive analysis, which goes beyond predicting outcomes to suggest actions that can be taken to achieve desired results. So it provides recommendations for decision making and application in digital marketing. So, in summary, all the analytics in the marketing of digital banking products involves a comprehensive approach, leveraging different type of analytics and to gain insights, which make data-driven decisions and continually optimize marketing strategies for maximum effectiveness. What are the use or how important? What is the importance of customer education in digital banking? So why should we educate a customer? Why customer education is crucial for adoption of digital banking? Building a customer trust and familiarity with the digital platform is very vital for increasing of the adoption rates. That is beyond the tech savvy population. Customer empowerment is also very important, wherein educated customers are more likely to utilize digital products more effectively, improving their overall banking experience, which also helps in reducing errors and the support burden. Proactive education minimizes the errors, leading to fewer customer service calls and a smoother digital banking journey also. It also helps in mitigating security concerns by educating customers on cyber threats and secure online practices also, which is essential for preventing the fraud and building trust. So, what are the strategies to educate, or the key education strategies? Strategies to educate the customers. It's by diverse channels, as we have discussed earlier also, with the help of websites and apps, the social media, by email marketing, the in-branch assistance, that is by training staff to provide hand-on guidance to the less tech savvy supports or the less tech savvy customers, by financial literacy workshops. Also, using the clear and concise communications, using a simple language, using the vernacular content, that is the local language for wider reach and inclusivity, using the visual aids, wherein we employ screenshots, diagrams, and explainer videos to enhance the clarity for the customers. Using the omni-channel approach, wherein we have a consistent messaging system, maintaining the same communication style and tone across all the channels for coherence, utilizing the multiple channels to reiterate safe practices and product features for better retention also, by target content, by using the new users, focusing on basic onboarding guides and step-by-step tutorials, by specific products, by offering detailed tutorial for more complex products like the digital investment platforms and the trading platforms, etc. How do we go for evaluation and improvement? A continuous evaluation and improvement is necessary in the digital banking platform, wherein we regularly access the effectiveness of the customer education program through surveys and the feedback mechanisms. And then we adapt and refine approaches based on the customer responses and emerging trends. So, what is it? If you have any questions on this session, you may please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Your feedback is very valuable to us. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. This is Nishan signing off. Have a good day. Jai Hind.